the Self-Editing on a Penny group. This is an editing circle meant to help ease the burden of self-publishing. There's no forced participation, but you must bring something to the table. After self-editing, please find an editor. The concept is to make a group where people pool their self-publishing skills together to help each other self-edit. We're all good at something, but not everything. Here you will find help with development edit, content edit, proofreading, blurb writing, book covers, critiques. We do not offer reviews, but individuals can decide to provide one. Things to consider. You must have a skill. You must have something to offer, even if it's just the ability to read and critique. You do not have to give your manuscript. All edits are done in a safe way that does not involve DOC or PDF files. You're encouraged to participate in reading the first chapter of someone's work when requested, especially the works of new authors.